Instagram just quietly launched a Snap-style feature called Instant, where you can quickly post your content without editing, real-time photos and videos that disappear after viewing. In this video, I will show you how to download Instagram Instant both on iPhone and Android. So check the description to jump straight to your device. I'm Janet if you are new here. This is where I help you grow and monetize on social media. For iPhone users, open the App Store and tap the search icon. Type in Instant. Tap Get to download. Confirm with your password or your Face ID to enable the download. If your internet is very fast, you should have it downloaded quickly. Otherwise, it will take about a minute. Once it is installed, open the app. You'll be asked to log in with your existing Instagram account or switch between accounts if you manage more than one. Select the account you want to use, then tap Try It. Allow the permission it asks for, like camera, microphone, notifications. This helps the app to run smoothly. Choose who can see your instance, your close friends or mutual friend, people who follow you back from this option. And that's it for iPhone users. To learn how to use this application, click the link above here. For my Android users, open the Play Store and tap the search icon. Type in Instant and tap Install. Tap Install again. Confirm with your password or click I agree to use your Face ID to enable the download. This should take less than a minute if your internet is very strong. If you don't have an Instagram account yet, you will be prompted to create one right here. If you want to learn how to set up an Instagram account the right way, one that is built for monetization, check my Instagram playlist, link above here. Like, subscribe and turn on all post notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Bye for now.